Hey guys, so I said it before and I will definitely say it again. Everything around you is designed. For this week, we need to find three things that you've interacted with that are designed items. Just take a look around you. I can grab three things right off my desk right now. And they don't need to be digital, they can be digital or non digital. So everything on your cell phone is designed. There are apps, the apps are designed. Just even going to the Canvas app right on your phone, designed, very glared, but that's a UX design. That's a mobile app design. All right, I've got some sunscreen here for when I send the kids out into the backyard. This is product design. A graphic designer definitely made the Neutrogena logo. They made, designed the packaging for this with the color scheme, even designing the label with all of the drug facts, the active ingredients, and the directions and everything else. That's designed. And my favorite design yet, coffee. My coffee cup is designed. This is one of those, I always forget, Ray Dunn coffee cups. Everybody seems to be into them right now, but this is designed. There is a design to the way it's kind of molded. There's a design to the font that's being used. You can't really see because I'll end up spilling, but there's a design. Watch when I take a sip. With the logo stamped underneath. Everything around you has been designed. So think about what the goal might have been for that designer, to design this, to design the spray um, sunscreen. Well, first off, it's going to be on a shelf with all other sunscreens. So I'm guessing the bright yellow, where we think about the sun, we think about color, we think of, we relate to the bright yellow. That was probably a designer's goal for us to interact with the product. Going into the Canvas app, what was the goal of that designer? Well, they wanted us to literally be able to physically interact with the app, get to our courses, submit our discussion posts, check our grades, anything else. That interaction. What's the goal of the designer for the coffee cups? That you are going to connect and enjoy the design and have it be something that you want, not need, but want. And that goal is for you to purchase the product. So, your interaction with something during the day, it can be a positive interaction, like having that cup of coffee. It can be a negative interaction where maybe, oh man, I gotta put the sunscreen, chase the kids down, and put it on. It's not so much that it's negative; it's just time consuming. Or it can be, something positive for you, like submitting your discussion post and being able to do it through your Canvas app. So again, you interact with so many things that are designed during the day. We just need to switch our brains to think about the design behind each of those items. All right, so go on a scavenger hunt and find three things today. Have a great day.